What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be doing a music video of me singing Stitches. Well, it's basically a song where he's emotionally getting beat up, but he feels that he's actually getting beat up in real life. So anyway, so let's start. I thought that I've been hurt before, but no one ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, tipping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, just like a moth thrown to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart could get touched. Now I'm gonna rip what I thought. I'm left right on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive if I quit calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, fighting on myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. Needle and the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle and the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle and the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Getting on the thread and wind up dead. Needle and the thread, got to get you out of my head. Needle and the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle and the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Get you out of my head. You watch me bleed until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I've been needing stitches, without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. And without your kisses, I've been needing stitches. Guys, I'm sweating now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please leave a like. And hopefully I can get 20 likes for this, because I'm so tired doing this. And I'm not singing that well because I have a sore throat. But when I get better, maybe next week, I might sing again. But not with an MV. But my sound will be better than this, I trust. Anyway, so you guys don't underestimate my sound, because it's actually better than this, but only I'm having a sore throat. Not really a sore throat, I'm coughing. Anyway, there's one more thing. If you guys are wondering what is all the blood on my head, what is all my blood, I'll tell you what it is. Hold up. Ping! Tomato sauce. Oh shoot, tomato sauce drop. Damn, there's tomato sauce on the floor now. Anyway, I'm doing this in a restaurant, so you might realize it by all the chairs and stuff like that. And it's pretty funny also, but anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Click subscribe, if you want to see more videos. Anyway, I'm out of breath after all this. Don't just see this is a 4-minute plus video. It's actually, or 5-minute plus video. It's actually took me 2 hours to do this. Freaking 2 hours and all the editing. Oh my gosh, I can tell you. Anyway, hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys soon.